Good morning, students. I am Zuveria Ismail Sheikh from Shivdi Crossroad MPS School, and today we are learning about word problems based on measurement. Okay, so before that, students, measurement is very important in our day to day life. Okay, so how measurement is important in our day to day life? Here, some points are given while taking medicines, cooking, sports, purchasing grocery, and transport. Okay, so see the first picture. What do you see in the first picture, dear students? What do you see in this picture?
Medicine.
Yes, he is taking a medicines. Now, how measurement is used in in medicines? How measurement is used in these medicines? What is the use of measurement while taking medicines?
Once a day.
Okay, that means what? While taking medicines, we have to keep in mind that how many medicines we have to take in a morning or how many we have to take in a evening, right? If we take too many medicines at one time, then what will happen? It will be very dangerous for our health, right? Yes. So in this way, we have we use measurement in medicines also. What is this, dear students? What is this? Why we are
Teacher,
using this and where we are using? Hmm?
liquid.
Yes, for taking a syrup. Yes, for taking a syrup, we are using this. What is written on this? What is that?
Milliliter. Milliliter.
Milliliters means yes, milliliters. Why it is written like this? To take it in a proper amount, right? If doctor said take 2 ml of any type of syrup, then what we have to do? We have to take that much only, right? If we take too much, then what will happen again?
Dangerous.
We will get, yes, we will get more sick, or it will be very dangerous for our health. Now see, what is this?
Teacher,
Hmm?
in first bowl, in green bowl, eggs.
Hmm?
And
Yes. This
blue
is
bowl, blue bowl, atta.
this is of cooking. Okay. Yes, flour. This is for cooking. We are cooking something. Suppose we are cooking a cake. Now, how measurement is important in cake? While baking cake, what we have to keep in mind about measurements?
Uh, only 4 eggs.
Hmm?
Not too much. Not 5 or 6. And not 2, 3.
Okay.
Only 4.
Okay. See here. While cooking, measurement. Yes.
Most important.
While okay. While cooking, also measurement is very important, right? Suppose we are making a cake. Okay, for that, first of all, we have to know how many ingredients we have to use, in what amount that ingredients we have to take to make a very nice, yummy cake, right? How much milk we have to pour in that flour. So For cooking also measurement is very important. At what degrees we have to bake that cake, for how many minutes we have to bake that cake. So for this also a measurement is very important, timing is very important. Okay, after that, what is this, what the kids are doing here? Yes students, what these kids are doing, what they are doing?
मिस ये बच्चों का रेस हो रहा
Yes,
है रेस हो रहा है
yes, they are doing a very good. They are doing a racings. Now here also measurement is plays is important role. Now how measurement is comes here? How measurement is important here? In racing we see,
मिस आगे
what
वाला
we see in racing.
फर्स्ट वाला
Yes,
मिस
who comes first? Yes, who comes first? Who comes second? That we have to look after. After that, how many points did any player score? That also we have to measure. How many kilometers that race is? That also we have to measure. Right now, see this picture. This is of
मिस ये सब
transport or
गाड़ी है
traveling. Yes. Now, how measurement is used here by in traveling? How measurement is used in traveling?
आई डोंट नो मिस
That what is it? Huh?
आई डोंट नो
What beta?
आई डोंट
In
नो
transport, what is the speed? Okay. In transport, we have to see that the vehicle, how much meter that vehicle runs, or what, by what speed that vehicle will run, how much petrol will be required to run any particular distance, that we see in the transport.
speed and kilometers
So students, measurement. Yes. So, students, measurement is very important in our day to day life. Without a measurement, it would be very hard for us to use technologies, all our modern structures, medicines, products, time, and even currencies. Without it, our life will be very, very hard. Students, so today we are learning about word problems. Okay. In the last two lectures, we learned about addition and subtraction, right? In last lecture, we learned about addition and subtraction. And today we are learning about word problems. Students, see this picture. These are the instruments used to measure a measurement. Any type of, for example, clock. Why clock we use? We use clock for measuring time. Okay. Thermometer. Why we use thermometer? To measure a body temperature. Weight scales. Then measuring tape, all these are we are using to measure anything. Okay, now we are doing today a word problem. Here is an definition of word problem: a mathematical problem that is stated in a words rather than in a symbols or as an equation. That means what? Word problem is a maths question. It is nothing but only a maths question, but it was written in a sentence. Now, why word problems are written in a sentence? Can anybody tell why word problems are written in a sentences?
yes I don't know
Okay,
can you
to
explain teacher
relate that word problem in our, yes, yes. It was written like this because we should relate that word problems in our day to day life. Okay, for example, our mummy says, our mummy brings something and mummy says, I got this much of this much rupees. So that because of that, what we understand that how much money we spend or what things we bought, that we get to know. So these mathematical equations are given in a sentences. Okay, now let's start our word problems. Here is the first question, dear students. Everybody is able to see this?
yes
Okay. For his birthday, Ajay gave 20 liters 450 milliliter of milk to the children in an ashram shala and 28 liters 800 milliliter to the children in an orphanage. How much milk did Ajay donate? Now see dear students, here there was one boy, his name was Ajay, and his birthday was there. And on account of his birthday, he donates some milk at two different places. First in Ashram Shala and second in orphanage. Okay. In Ashram Shala, Ajay donate 20 liters 450 milliliters of milk. How much he donate in Ashram Shala?
20 liters, 450 milliliters,
And 4.
and 28 liters.
Yes. And in orphanage?
28
Yes. At two different places he donate 20 liters and 450 liters in ashram shala and 28 liters and 800 milliliters in orphanage. Now students, what we have to find here?
mm,
How much milk did Ajay donate? Right, that means at these two different places, total how much milk did Ajay donate, that we have to find. So students, tell me, which operation do we use here? Whether we will use addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? What we
addition,
will use here?
addition,
Addition we will use. That means we have to add this amount 20 liters 450 milliliter to 28 liters 800 milliliters. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to arrange this number in a box. Okay, see here, now we have arranged the numbers which are in liters, that we have written in a liters side, and the numbers which are in milliliters, that we have written in a milliliter side. Okay, now this is a time for addition. Now students, tell me 0 plus 0 how many?
0.
Yes, so right here 0. 5 plus 0?
5. 5.
Yes, 5. And 4 plus 8?
12.
12. So write down here 12. Now see students, unit of liters. What is the unit of liter? 1 liter is equals to
100 milliliters.
how many milliliters?
100.
1000 millimeter. 1000. 1 liters is equals to 1000 milliliters. Okay. So students, this thousand we have to, the 1000 which is in milliliters, that we have to carry forward in a liters. That means we have to carry this one to liter side. Okay, so let's carry here. Now wait. Now see what we have to do here. Now we have to add this liter side. Okay, 8 plus 1?
49. 49.
Yes, 8 plus 1, 9 will come. And 2 plus 2, 4 will come. Okay, 2 plus 2, 4 na. So, what answer we get here? 49. What answer we get? 49 liters.
250 milliliters.
49 liters, 250 milliliters. That means what? Ajay donate 49 liters, 250 milliliters of milk on account of his birthday. Okay. See, here it is come. Ajay donated 49 liters, 250 milliliters of milk. Understood everybody this sum?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, this is our second question. This is our second question. Under the Rural Cleanliness Mission, college students clean 1 kilometer 750 meters of village road. Okay, that is 2 kilometers 575 meters long. How much road remain to be clean? Now see students, there one village, and that village they are conducting a cleanliness mission. And in that mission, students, college students, have told to clean the road. And that total length of that road was 2 kilometers 575 meters. This was the total length of that road. And from this, students clean 1 kilometer 750 meters of road. Now here we have to find how much remain to be clean. That means how much road is remain to be clean. So in this, what we have to do? Addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Yes, subtraction. Why subtraction? Because total length of road is 2 kilometers 575 meters, and from that 2 kilometers students clean only 1 kilometer 750 kilometers of road. And now we have to find how much road is remain to be clean. So for that, what we have to do? Subtraction here, right? So first of all, we have to arrange these numbers in a box. So let's arrange. Okay, now see here, we have to do subtraction. That means what? 5 minus 0?
5 minus 0 is equals
5 minus
to
0?
5. 5.
Yes, is equals to 5. Okay. 7 minus 5?
7 minus 5 is equals to 2.
2. Now see here, it is a smaller number. Yes. 5 minus 7, it is not possible again. So what we have to do then? We have to, what we have to do? Carry forward or borrow?
Borrow.
Carry forward or borrow? Yes, we have to borrow. We have to borrow 1. 1 minute. We have to borrow 1 from kilometer side here. No. Why? Because 575 is a smaller number. So first of all, we have to borrow 1 from this side. Okay. So let's borrow. So we have to cut this 575 and we have to take 1 from this side. Okay, this side. So take here 1. So what is the unit of kilometers? 1 kilometer means 1000. Okay, 1000 meters. 1 kilometers means 1000 meters. So we are taking 1 from kilometers to meter means what? We are taking 1000. Right? We are taking 1000. So what will come here? 1575. Okay. Now we have to minus. Okay. So here we got 5, 2. And 15 minus 7, how many? 15 minus 7, do fast. How many are remaining? 15 minus 7? 8 are remaining. How many? 8. So write down here 8. Wait, I will write it properly. 8, 25. Okay. Now see students, here first of all 2 in kilometer side, but we gave 1 to meter side. That means how much are remaining here? 1 is remaining, right? So 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1? 0 will remain. Okay. 1 minus 1, 0. That means in kilometer side it is 0. So and in meter side there is 825. So how much road is remain to be clean? 825 is remain to be clean. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
See here. 1 minute. See here the explanation come here. Total road remain is 825 meters. Road remain to be clean. Okay. Now we will see the third sum. We will see the third sum. Now see. In this, what is given here? Babul Gav used 21,250 liters of treated wastewater in the fields. Samosar use 31,350 liters of similar water. How much treated wastewater was used in all? Now see here two villages are given, that is Babulgav and Samosar, and they both are using a wastewater in their fields. Babulgav is using 21 liters to 50 liters of wastewater. And how much Savasar is using? It is using 31,350 liters of water. Now, what is the question here? How much treated wastewater was used in all? So, what we have to do here? Addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Yes, addition we have to do. Why addition? Because we have to find that how much total water they both are using. How much that wastewater they both are using in all. In all means what? Total we have to find out. Okay. So let's arrange these numbers in a boxes. See here. Now see students, one thing you notice that these units, that means Babulgav is using only 21 to 50 liters of water. They have not mentioned here milliliters. Okay. Here also in Samosa they have given only in liters. They have not given here a milliliter. So in milliliters column there we will write here zeros, and in liters column we will write these amounts. Okay. Now we have to add this. So we are adding these numbers here. I will revise it again. Babulgaon used 21 liters to 50 liters of wastewater, and Samosar used 31,350 liters of water. Now we have to find how much water they used in all. That means we have to add these two numbers. Okay. So 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 how many? 10. Okay, we will write here 10. Wait. Beta. 10. Okay. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, how many students?
3, 5 plus 1, 6.
Yes, 5 plus 1, 6. We will write here 6. 1 plus 1,
2.
2. 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 plus 3,
5.
5. That means this. Yes, that means Babulgaon and Samosar, in all they used 52,600 liters of wastewater. Okay, see here is answer. In all, 52,600 liters of treated wastewater was used in the fields. Understood this? Now see, this is our next sum. Okay, in a half uh, in half a liter of milk cost rupees 22. How much will 7 liters cost? Now see, this is a very easy sum. Okay, only you have to understand the question. Okay, what is the cost of half liters of milk? What is the cost of half liters of milk? Who will tell what is the cost of half liter of milk? It is written here, a half a liter of milk cost rupees 22. How many?
22.
So we have to find how, yes, so we have to find how much will 7 liters cost. If half a liter of milk cost 22, then how many the 7 liters will cost? So for this, first of all, what we have to do? We have to take out the cost of rupees, cost of 1 liters of milk. That means 22 plus 22. How many 22 plus 22? 22 plus 22. How many?
4. 44.
See,
44.
this is a, yes, this is a cost of half liters of milk. Okay. So half liter is of 22 rupees. For that we have to take out the cost of 1 liters of milk. That means half and half, one. It makes one. Half and half makes one. So half liter, that is 22 rupees plus 22 rupees. How much we will get? 44. That means 1 liter of milk cost rupees of 44. Okay. So what we have to do now? We have to find the total cost for 7 liters. So
Need to pick it up.
44 multiplied by 7 we have to do. Okay. So 7 fours are,
Uh,
what
28.
is 7 fours are? Yes,
28.
28. To carry 8 we
Eight,
have to write here. Again 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 2,
30. 30.
30. Very good. So what answer we get here?
Uh, 308. 308.
308. Very good. Wait, huh? See, here we answer get 308. We will write in this box also 308 liters. Okay. So half a liter of milk cost 22 rupees. Therefore 1 liters of 1 liter of milk cost 22 plus 22 44. And so we have to multiply 44 by 7. So we get the answer 308. Understood? Was that easy?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, this is the next sum. If a speed of a motorcycle is 40 kilometer per hour, how far will it travel in an hour and a quarter? Now see this question. What is given in this question? There is one motorcycle and that runs with the speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Per hour means what? In 1 hour, that motorcycle runs 40 kilometers. Okay. Now here, how far will it travel in an 1 hour and a quarter? So for that, what we have to do here? See, 1 hour means how many minutes? 1 hour means 60 minutes. Right. So in 1 hour, how much kilometers it runs? 40 kilometers. Okay. In 1 hour,
Okay.
it covers the distance of 40 kilometers. So we have to take out a quarter part of 40. That means quarter part, see here, quarter part of 40. So
1
4 ones are,
upon 4. 1
yes,
upon
4
4.
ones are 4.
4.
Again here 4 ones are 4 and 4 zeros are 0. That means what we get a quarter part? 10 we get. Okay. So now in 1 kilometer, sorry, in 1 hour how many kilometers it runs? In 1 hour how many kilometers it runs? See, it is given
4.
here. In
4.
1 hour 40 kilometers. Okay, 40 kilometers. So 40 plus, what is the quarter part of 40 we get here? 10. 40 plus 10 how many?
50.
50. So this motorcycle will run 50 kilometers in 1 hour. That means 40, and in quarter that means 10. 40 plus 10, 50 kilometers. Okay. Oh, wait. See, here it is a solution in 1 hour plus quarter. Okay, 60 plus 15 it comes 75. So we first take out the quarter part of 40. That means we get a 10. So 10 plus 40 we get 50. That means a motorcycle will travel 50 kilometers in 1 hour and quarter. Okay. Now see the next sum. I'm reading this sum. Okay, you will read this sum. Who will read this sum?
Teacher, I will read the sum.
Okay, read.
If a man walks at a speed of 4 kilometers hour, how
Per
long
hour.
it takes him to walk 3 kilometers?
Yes. See, there's one man and he walks at a speed of 4 kilometer per hour. Means in 1 hour. See, kmph means what here? In 1 hour he walks 4 kilometers. Okay, he walks 4 kilometers at every 1 hour. So they are asking us how long will it take him to walk 3 kilometers. For walking now 3 kilometers, how much time he will require? It is asked here. So for that, what we have to do? We have to first see what is the 1 minute. See here, 1 hour means how many minutes? 1
60.
hour means 60 minutes. Okay. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. So see, in 60 minutes, that man is walking 4 kilometer. Okay. And we have to find now in 3 kilometers, for walking 3 kilometers, how much time he will required. Okay, that we have to find. So for that, now what we will do? We will do a cross multiplication. That means we will multiply 60 by 3 kilometers and 4 by this. The answer we don't know now, that we have to find here. So we will do 60 multiplied by 3 upon 4 we have to do. So 3 zeros are 3 zeros are
0. 0.
yes, 3 zeros are 0 and 3 six are 3
18.
six are
18.
18. We will write 18 here. And now we have to write 4 here. That means what? We have to now divide 180 with 4. Okay, now let's divide. 180 with a 4. 180 divided 4. So in 4's table, 18 is there. 18
Uh,
is there in 4's table.
the 16. 4 4 the 16.
Yes. 18 is not there, so we have to take a smaller number, that means 16. So 4 4s are 16. We will write here 16. Now we have to minus it. 18 minus 16, how many remains?
How many remain? 8 minus 6
Hmm?
is equal to 2 and 1 minus 1 is equal
Yes, 0. And this 0 we will take downside. That means here we'll get 20. So 20 is there in 4's table.
yes. 4 5 are 20.
Yes, 4 5s are 20. Now see here we have to minus. Okay. So what answer we get here?
0 45 and remaining is
45 we
0.
get. 0. Right. Very good. Now see. So that's why that man wait. That man will require a time of 45 minutes. Okay. How much time he will require to walk 3 kilometers? 45 minutes. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. See, I have given. Okay. Now see, students, this is an evaluation part. That means you have to answer me this. Okay. Who will read this?
Uh, again, I will read this.
Yes, read.
If a shopkeeper has 150
The
kg,
shopkeeper has
Hmm?
150 kilogram, 500 gram of
Hmm?
rice and sells 75 kilogram, 750 gram.
Hmm?
How much rice will
Hmm?
be left?
Yes. So here, students, what we have to do? Addition or subtraction?
Subtract Subtraction.
Yes, subtraction. Okay. Now one by one you will tell me the answer, how to do. Okay. So start first from gram side. What is the unit of gram? 1 kg is equals to?
1 kg.
What is the unit of kg? 1 kg is equals to how many grams?
1 kg equals to
1000 grams. Okay. 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Okay. Now see. Let's minus then. It is not possible minus 750 from 500, right? Because 500 is a smaller number. So what we have to do? Tell
Borrow
fast what we have to
500.
do.
Borrow
Yes,
500.
we have to borrow one from kg side. Okay.
Yes.
So we have to take one from kg side. When we take one from kg side, it will get converted into 1000. Right? It will get converted into 1000. That means what we get here? What we'll get here?
1,500.
1500. 1500. Now we have to minus 750 from 1500. And how much will remain?
Uh,
0 minus 0.
0.
Yes. 0 minus 5.
0 minus 5, 5.
Yes. And
And
now see 15. 15
minus
minus 7.
is equals to 9.
7. Okay. Now see here first of all there was 150, but we gave 1 to this side. So how much is remain here? 150 minus 1.
150 minus 1 equals 145. 149.
Yes,
149.
149. So we have to minus 75 from 149. How much will remain then?
9 minus 5 is
9
equals
minus 5.
4.
Yes.
And 14 minus 7.
4. Hmm?
14 minus 7. 7.
Yes, 7. So what answer we get here? 74 kg and 750 grams. What answer we get?
7.
74 kg, 750 grams. Okay. Now see the next sum. Read this sum.
A can of milk has 20 liters, so 450 milliliter of milk. Another can has 18 liters, 800 milliliter. How much milk is
800 milliliter.
two cans altogether? Now we will
Yes,
plus
this is 800. Okay,
add.
this we have to do a plus. Very good. Now see, we arrange these numbers. So tell me the answers, okay? 0 plus 0.
0.
Yes. 5 plus 0.
5. 5.
Yes. 1 minute. Why? 8 plus 4.
8 plus 4, 12.
12. Now see here we get a number 1250. So what we have to do here? 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Right? So what? This one we have to carry forward here. Okay.
Okay.
This one we have to carry forward here. Wait. So how much will remain here then? 250 will remain in milliliters. Okay. So now we have to add this liter side. 8 plus 1.
8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 1 3, 39.
Yes.
39.
And 3, 39. That means here is an answer. Wait, Here is answer then 39 liters, 250 milliliters. The total quantity of milk is 39 liters, 250 milliliters. Okay. Now see, this is very interesting question. Who will read this question? See, if a wire that is 9 meters 50 centimeter long is cut into pieces of 5 centimeter each, how many pieces will be made? Now see what is this question. There is one wire. Okay, suppose this is a wire, and this wire, what is the length of this wire? 9 meters 50 centimeter long. Okay, this wire is 9 meter 50 centimeter long, and this wire we have to cut into equal pieces of 5 centimeter each. Okay, so for this, and they are asking us how many pieces will be made. So like this, how many pieces will be made, they are asking us. So what we have to do here? Addition, subtraction, multiply, or division, what we have to do? We have to divide. Okay, see, this is 9 meters and 50 centimeters. Okay, so first of all you have to convert 9 meters into centimeters. That means 900 plus 50. So what will get 900 plus 50? 950.
Yes.
Okay, 950 we have to divide by 5. So 5 ones are
5 5.
5. 9 minus 5.
9
9
minus
minus
4.
5.
4.
4. And this 5 will comes here down. Okay, this 5 we take down here. So 45 is there in 5's table.
Yes. 4. 45. 5
9s are, hai na? 5 9s are
Yes.
45. Okay, 5 9s are 45. And that we'll minus it. We will get 0 0. That means, and this 0 we will take here downside. Wait,
Yes.
Here place is not here. So 9 zeros are 0. We have to write.
Yeah.
Zeros are 0. We'll get here 0. That means what answer we get here?
190.
190. 190. That means what? If we cut 9 meters 50 centimeter of long wire into equal parts of 5 centimeter each, how many parts we will get? They have asked us. So we will get 190 pieces. How many pieces? 190 pieces. Okay, students, this is a homework. You have to complete in your notebook. Okay,
I will taking a
thank you
screenshot
students
of
for joining the lecture. Yes, better take. Thank you for joining everybody. Bye children.